Welcome to Saraswat International Academy, Ratavapi, Standard 2nd, English Medium, Subject Computer. Myself Simit Bhausar. I am a computer teacher. Now I will teach you chapter number 3, part 2. Now our next topic, scanner. Okay, scanner is used to directly enter the data or photograph into the computer. The process of entering the data or photograph directly from paper into the computer is called scanning. The paper or the photograph to be scanned is placed on the glass plate of the scanner. Its wire is connected with the CPU. Okay, now student, here there are two different types of scanner. Okay, let us discuss about it next. Now here scanner are of two types. First one, handheld scanner, and second one, flatbed scanner. Okay, here first one, handheld scanner. Now a scanner that is moved by hand over the material being captured. Handheld scanners are also and less expensive than their desktop counterparts, but partially rely on the user's dexterity to move the unit across the paper. Okay, now next one, flatbed scanner. Okay, now a scanner that provides a flat glass surface to hold a sheet of paper, book, or other object for scanning. The scan head is moved under the glass. Flatbed scanners often come with sheets feeders for scanning multiple sheets of paper rather than one at a time. Okay, now next. Now our next topic, speaker. Speaker is used to listen any sound from the computer. Various buttons are generally given on it. Buttons to switch it on or off and to increase or decrease volume are given on the upper side of the speaker. Its shape is generally square or rectangular. Its wire is connected with the CPU. Different types of speaker are available in the market. Here, different types of speakers image, first, second, and third. Okay, now next. Now next topic, hard disk. Hard disk is used to store the information in the computer. It is rectangular in shape as it can store a large amount of data. It is called big notebook of computer as it is placed inside the CPU. It is called internal hard disk. External hard disk that can be connected to the computer from outside is also available in the market. Okay, here two different types of hard disk. First one, internal hard disk. Okay, this one. Now what is internal hard disk? A hard disk is an electromechanical data storage device that uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital data using one or more rigid, rapidly rotating platers coated with magnetic material. Okay, now second one, external hard disk. See, this is external hard disk. Now, what is external hard disk? An external hard disk is a portable storage device that can be attached to a computer through a USB or FireWire connection or wirelessly. External hard disk or hard drives typically have high storage capacities and are often used to back up computers or serve as a network drive. Okay, now next topic, CD and DVD. The full form of CD is compact disc. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc. They are circular in shape. Data can be stored in them. Information like audio, video, photographs, etc. can be stored in them. They are placed in the CD drive or DVD drive of the CPU. A DVD can store more data than a CD. Okay, now here first one, CD. Okay, CD means CD stand for compact disc, and second one, DVD means digital versatile disc. Okay, now next topic, pen drive. Pen drive is used to store data of various types. Its shape is like a small pen. These days, it is the most popular storage device. It is used by inserting it into the port given in the CPU. Many types of pen drives in different shapes and size are available. Okay, here two types of pen drive given here, first and second. Okay, now student, our chapter is over here. Okay, we will continue chapter number 3, assessment, in part 3. Thank you.